The Outreach SugarCRM integration is very thorough and pretty easy to use. Here's a quick tutorial on the basic use of the plugin. While you're inside of Sugar, you'll see that there's a down arrow to manually sync a record. This can be a lead, contact, account, or opportunity over to Outreach. However, this doesn't usually need to be done because there are sync roles that one can set up, your administrator, to sync over data on an automatic basis, meaning any leads, contacts, accounts, or opportunities that have been recently created or of a certain type can be synced over automatically without the user having to manually sync the record as just shown. You'll be able to verify that the record is synced by going over to the More Information tab and seeing that the URL is there and the last time that it's actually synced over. By clicking on the URL, it will bring you into Outreach. This is where you can begin all of your outreach sequencing, put someone manually in a sequence, and also see corresponding Sugar information right here on the side panel. You can see that all of these custom fields have synced over from the record in Sugar. You can customize which fields show on the Outreach panel over here from Sugar very easily by adding the field into Outreach and then going into the Administration tab in Sugar and linking up the two fields. As you can see here, I'm manipulating the Account module. You can see all of the Sugar fields are listed here, and they'll sync over bidirectionally, one way from Sugar to Outreach, or one way from Outreach to Sugar. And you can see here the Outreach field is named as well. This allows, again, for bidirectional or single-way syncing of data between systems. I can enable or disable syncing between any of these modules. Important to note that information supporting the records like calls, tasks, and emails can also be merged over. Usually a call might happen at first in Outreach, and you want to see those in Sugar, so that's exactly what we're enabling here. And then the other way around, if you sync a record maybe later on from Sugar to Outreach, it can go with all of the supporting information, calls, tasks, and emails, so one can view them within Outreach. That's a quick view of BrainSell's Sugar Outreach integration.